Very popular, so let me...
Skip the crap. It's now like one of
Did you make this?
He's an upcycled toy.
And it's cool because it's like...
That is just
With
gorgeous.
clock parts and old electronic bits.
How many moving axes does he... His wings flap.
He dances. His head moves. He's got a back sensor,
And they did a really
top of the head sensor, a beak sensor, a tongue sensor, and he also responds to voice. But with the background noise here, he won't listen to me.
Let me get a picture of his front. Now turn him slightly so we can see him. Hello.
What you doing?
Do you give him metal crackers?
We're looking for an oil can for him, actually.
Oh,
Pet him.
jolly good.
You gotta do it because you never know that.